I love when the people who claim to love and defend the Constitution don't understand the Constitution. I was talking about how voting is a constitutionally protected right, and this person says, go find in the Constitution where you have the right to vote in federal elections. Okay. Here's the 15th Amendment. Section 1, the right of citizens of the United States to vote shall not be denied or abridged by the United States or by any state on account of race, color, or previous condition of servitude. The Congress shall have the power to enforce this article by appropriate legislation. There's one article that talks about voting. It doesn't specifically say state or federal, it just talks about voting. Here's the 14th Amendment. The Senate of the United States shall be composed of 2 senators from each state, elected by the people for 6 years. Elected by the people. Those are federal elections to elect senators, my guy. The right of the citizens of the United States who are 18 years of age or older to vote shall not be denied or abridged by the United States or any state on account of age. How about the 14th Amendment? Representatives shall be appointed among the several states according to... You can go all the way down here until you get to... But when the right to vote at any election for the choice of electors for president and vice president of the United States, representatives in Congress, the executive and judicial officers of a state, or the members of the legislature thereof is denied to any of the male inhabitants of such state being 21 years of age and citizens of the United States or in any way abridged, except for participation in rebellion or other crime, the basis of representation therein shall be reduced to the proportion... I mean, dude, there are actually several sections of the Constitution that discuss specifically voting. Your right to vote, your right to vote no matter what sex you are, your right to vote no matter what color you are, your right to vote for president, your right to vote for vice president, your right to vote for representatives in the House, your right to vote for senators. It's littered throughout the Constitution. Littered throughout it. Did you not know that was in the Constitution? Or are you going to come up with some bullshit way of explaining to us how none of that meant federal elections? When they said that we had a right to vote for senators, that didn't mean federal senators, just state senators. When they said we had a right to vote for president and vice president, that doesn't mean the federal president and vice president. That means the governor of your state. I mean, dude, it's right there in black and white. All you got to do is read it. You got to spend a little more time reading the inside of the pamphlet and a little less time waving it above your head at your fucking Klan rallies.